Alright, in this video I'll be doing a quick tutorial just showing you how to use the program Gimp to make a totally awesome logo or a totally awesome text banner for your website or whatever project you're working on. Okay, Gimp is a free program used for image manipulation on either Mac or PC. It's very easy to use, make some cool images, and let's get into it. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is download the program. Seems pretty, obvious, right? To do that, you want to go to gimp.org. Okay, it's going to be a download button. You click it, it'll automatically download if you're on a Mac, and just let it do that. Okay, then after you download it or before you download it, make sure that you have the latest version of X11, which is currently X Quartz. All right, without that running, you won't be able to open Gimp. It won't work. So make sure you have that. And once you have Gimp open, you'll come to this page. You'll have these two, widget things here. Okay, what you're going to do is on this one you're going to go to Files, Create, Logo, and pick whichever one you like. I really like Chrome because I think the text looks cool. And here you're going to want to type in whatever text you want to display. Alright, I put in "Come learn something." Here's going to be the size of the font. The larger it is, the larger your image is going to be. Pretty simple, right? So I'm going to make mine like 100. Okay, or let's make it 150. Because there's going to be something later on in the video that I want to show you how to deal with. So 150, create, there it is. Alright, pretty cool, right? It's cool looking, cool logo. Why is it doing that? Okay, well, it's not really a logo. I guess it could be. That's more of a text banner. Whatever, so let's create another one just to see what they look like. Okay, so let's do Scarscape because I think that looks cool too. Okay, 150, this is my text. Okay, rendering supernova. Okay, there it is. So those are the two logos, two images that I created using Gimp, simply by going into File, Create, and then I pick Logo, and then I pick whichever one I want, type in the text, change the size, hit OK, and there it is. You get this totally awesome looking logo, or text. So now, what if you don't like the background, but you like the text in front? Okay, like I like this Chrome text, but I don't really like this background because it's kind of boring. This background's pretty cool, but we're going to change that anyway. So if that's the case, what you're going to want to do is find an image that you do want to use. Okay, so I already have one here. It's a cool star image. What you're going to want to do is select all, okay, on the image. Copy the image. Copy. Right? Then you go back to this window, or whichever one you want to use. I want to edit this one first. So you go into Edit, Paste As, and you paste as a new layer. Now the new layer came up. Alright, now it is covering up my text currently because over here, and this is going to be a little tiny intro to how to work with layers in Gimp, but it'll be very useful. The clipboard is what this image is that I just pasted, so you're going to want to take that, drag it down, alright? And now you put your text back in front of that image you just pasted. Now, if you notice, it's pretty obvious, my image right here is only covering up part, maybe 75% of the actual logo. Okay, now this might confuse you. It's pretty annoying sometimes, but it's because the image that I pasted isn't large enough to actually fit. So what you can do is you go into Preview, Tools, and this, I don't know. For this tutorial, it's not really a big deal, but if you're going to be doing this for something you care about, resizing the image like this might distort it, make it look funny. But, what we're doing right now, it's not that big of a deal. So you go into Preview, Tools, Adjust Size, okay? You want to get rid of Scale Proportionally, because that's annoying sometimes. And your width. Let's make the width something ridiculous, like 2000. And the height can just be like 500. Resize image. Okay. There it is. Alright. Make sure you save. Oh, you don't really need to save it. Just select all. Copy. Go back here. Paste. As. New layer. Ooh, wait a second. We want to get rid of this current layer. Because we can't have two of the same images running around. That'd be stupid. So let's delete that layer. Okay. Now we have this here. Nice and clean. Let's go to New Layer, Paste, There it is, covered up the entire thing instead of just some of it. And then we just got to drag and drop this clipboard down. Alright, and there it is. You have your logo with your cool, awesome text from Gimp, and you have your new background that you just used from your own image. Now this is very useful for creating your own logos or customizing a text banner. Very cool thing to use, and you can use it on any of the logos here in Gimp. So let's say you want to do it on this one too, because this text would actually look pretty cool with that background. So I actually want to paste as new layer. There it is. That's really awesome. Look at that. That's cool. Okay then. So let's say you have an image or you have your logo that you want to use and you like it. You're going to have to export it in order to actually access it as a file. So in order to do that, you go to File, Export. Okay. You want to pick the directory, where you want it to go. So let's say I just want to drop it on my desktop. Alright, you want to name it. Make sure it's PNG. So let's name it something.png. We're dropping the desktop. Okay, export. Just hit export again. And boom, there it is. As a PNG file, you can open it up in your preview. Let's see if it opens up ever. There it is. Preview. Totally awesome text banner or logo or whatever you want it to be. It's got this totally awesome background, totally awesome text. Really cool. And what you can do now is you can just take that file, upload it to your website or upload it to your app, or do whatever you want with it. Really awesome. If you have any questions about how to do this, you're running into any problems, just leave me a message or leave a comment or something. Send me a message on YouTube. I'll help you out. And have a nice day. Thanks for watching.